Hello traders, welcome back to RN Isaac within GFX. I hope you had a wonderful week. Last week we had a United States presidential election and the market was so volatile, and most of the people lost the money, some gained the money, and according to our analysis we were able to get some few dollars as per my prediction or my analysis. So guys, what will happen? Let's now check about USD JPY, about USD CHF, GBP, USD, and Euro USD. We are going to analyze and see the way forward. So let's start with the USD JPY. So I hope all of us know the reason why I indicated all these lines. So I'm not going to repeat why I indicated all those lines there. So as you can see, we have been having an upward trend. This is now an upward trend. The orange trend line is an upward trend, and then the blue line is a support. The blue line is our support. Okay, if you can go to the previous video I made about USD JPY, I told you in the monthly time frame we have not broke the structure. It is still bullish. Are we together, guys? Even in the weekly time frame, if you can go to the weekly time frame, we can see we have not yet broke the structure. We have not yet broke the structure. Can you see? We have not yet broke the structure. So we broke the structure. Yes, we broke the structure here. We broke the structure, and again the market turned from bearish to bullish. Are we together? So we are still bullish in USD JPY. USD JPY are still bullish. So the market broke the structure here to upward. The market broke the structure here to the upward. Go watch that video and I explain everything. And I told you if the market will break this, by that time it was a resistance, since it was the market structure, the price was below this line. By this time it was a resistance, and I told you if the market will break this resistance upward, it will change from being resistant to be a support. Can you see, guys? And currently the market is around this zone. The market is around that zone. Can you see? The market is around that zone, and there is a lot of indecision candle in the weekly time frame. Can you see? The market broke this zone, broke with a bullish candle, and then the following week we had what? We had an indecision red candle, and then the last week also we had a bullish indecision red bullish indecision candle. Can you see? And the same time again the market is aligning. It is on this trend line. Can you see? The market is on this trend line. The market is actually it is below this trend line. Still it is below this trend line. Can you see, guys? This is weekly time frame. Go watch about USD JPY. I explained everything. So the reason why I've put this blue zone here, actually it is supposed to be red zone now, because now it was a support here, but now it was broken. So this one it is a red zone here. So this one is I'm expecting supply to take place here. I'm expecting this one to be a resistance. Are we together? So let us go to daily. I will explain everything. Daily time frame. This is USD JPY daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, guys, in the daily time frame I can see something is forming. If you can see very well, something is forming here. Let me show you, guys. Daily time frame, I can see we might have a fake out. So you can see the price was broke the structure here in daily time frame, broke the structure here. It was a bull, it was bearish. Then it broke the structure here to become what? To become a bullish structure, bullish market structure. Are we together here? So, and we can see it was not, this area was not what? It was not retested. If you can see very well, it was not retested, and we say that this must be retested so that we can buy. Are we together? But now let us go direct. Let us go direct to the point here. This is now our current price action. This is now our current price action. This is our trend line, our weekly trend line. You can see our weekly trend. The price is below this weekly trend line. The price is below this weekly trend line. And our current support is this one. This is now our current support. I will change it from red to blue. Are we together? But you can see something. Can you see something, guys? You can see that we are forming. We are forming what? We are almost forming this the head, this is the shoulder, this is the head. I can see there is a possibility of forming what? There is a possibility of forming the head and shoulder. This now will be the head, and this now is like a fake out. Are we together again? This is now like a fake out. There is a rule in forex that once the trend line is broken, it must be retested twice. It must be retested twice. Are we together? So you can see at this zone, the price never retest this trend line here once it was broken. So we expected it to retest here, and now again the price has come back to our trend line. Are we together? Then to add up on that, you can see this zone. Can you see this zone here? This zone, we might make this zone. This zone can make it as a double top. This is a double top. If you can see clearly, this is a double top. This can form this market to be a double top. And you know what is a double top? Double top is like an M. This support what? This supports selling. Are we together? We are now selling. If you see a double top like this shows that these are signs that we are now what? We are now selling. Are we together? We are now selling. And at the same time, again in daily, I can now see a possible head and shoulder. This is now the shoulder, this is now the head. Are we together? Now we are waiting to do what? We are waiting to form our left shoulder, and then this will be our neck. Are we together? We are waiting to form a left shoulder, and this will be our neck. If this will happen, guys, if this will happen, we shall be waiting for this neckline to be broken, and then we shall enter for sell. So let me change this to be blue. Like that. Okay, and now I'll be showing you that if that will happen, now this will be a double top. This zone will be a double top. Can you see this? Can you see it? That zone is now a double top. That zone is now what? A double top. That zone is now a double top. If you can see clearly, that zone is now a double top, guys. So if it is a double top, the rule of double top is we must wait for the neck to be broken. And where is our neck? Our neck is down below here. This is our neckline. But I'll be telling you, if this neck is broken, if this neck of the head and shoulder is broken, I showed you how to trade the head and shoulder. If it is broken, the distance between the shoulders and the neck, the price will go that distance downward. Are you together? The price will go that distance downward. And let me show you the distance between this shoulder and this neck. If it is broken, the price will go that distance. So let us see where will the price go. Let us see that distance. Are we together? So let us draw that distance from our neck, from our shoulder to the neck. The price will go that distance. And I told you guys, take the TP1 which is guarantee. There will be your TP1, and then our TP2 will be here. There will be our TP2. If the price will break this zone, if the price will break that neck, be sure we are going where? Be sure we are going to TP1 and TP2. That is a guarantee sure. I'm assuring you that one. So our work is to watch. If the price will break this, let me show you. If the price will come like this, break that, and then that one, and then retest it, it must not go back to this zone again. It must not go back to this range again. So I'm expecting the price to come, break this zone, the neckline, and retest. Once it has retest, now I will enter to sell. This will be our TP1, and then this will be our TP2. Are we together? I hope I'm clear. That will be our TP2. So let us go to 4-hour time frame and see whether there is something of important we can see. Can you see, guys? This I told you the last time. That we were expecting what? We were expecting the head and shoulder to be formed here. Let me show you the head and shoulder to be formed. We had a head, and previously we had a head and shoulder here. Can you see? This was the shoulder, this was the head, and this was another shoulder. But now this one, the price came. This one was a fake out. Can you see? This one was a fake out. The price, why was it fake out? We had a liquidity above this whole head. We had a liquidity above the head. Can you see, guys? So the price had to come and do what? And take out all the liquidity before it sell. And in the 4-hour time frame, can you see something, guys? In the 4-hour time frame, the price is below our trend line. The price is below our trend line. Okay, so what is the way forward? I'm expecting, if the price will form a shoulder here, that is the left shoulder, and our neckline is here, we shall be selling to this zone. I will make a video about the hidden candle, the power of a hidden candle. Can you see this zone at our TP1? We are aligning with the power of the hidden candle. Okay, I'll make a video about the power of a hidden candle. Okay, so if the price will break this zone, we are sure we are going to this zone and to our TP2. If it will break TP1, we are going to TP2. Okay, guys, so let's say that if the price will not obey that rule, and decide to do like this, if the price will not obey that rule, so let me delete the blue zone. The blue zone was there. The blue zone was the what? It was showing you about the double top. If the price will not obey that zone, that rule, that plan, okay, now the plan B is if the price will come, break this zone, like that, and it retest. Now we shall enter and buy here, but it is very risky. I will not tell you to buy I will not tell you to buy USDJPY now. Because now we are playing in a premium zone. I'm not telling you to buy USDJPY now. So if you want to buy USDJPY, you have to wait until for it to break that zone and retest, and then we shall be targeting that region. Are we together? That will be our plan B. But our plan A is for me to sell USDJPY to that TP1 and TP2. If you have any question, kindly don't forget to comment down below or ask in the comment section, and I'll be willing to help you. So let's go to EURUSD. Let's check EURUSD, guys. So EURUSD, guys, my bias is bearish. I'm still bearish on EURUSD. So let's go to daily time frame. Guys, it is very easy. If you can understand what I'm telling you, you are going to make money. So EURUSD in daily time frame, what do you see, guys? EURUSD in daily time frame, what do you see? I can see this is now the head. Can you see the head? This is now the head. This is now the shoulder and the shoulder. Can you see the shoulder and the shoulder? And the neckline has been broken. The neckline has been broken, guys. The neckline has been broken. Do you see this thing, guys? The neckline has been broken, and the price has break our trend line. The price has broken our trend line. This is our trend line, and this was our trend line. The price has broken our trend line. This one, the upper trend line. Can you see? This trend line was like acting like a support. It was acting like a support. Once once the price action touched this trend line, it was pushed upward. Once the price action touched this trend, it was pushed upward. If you can go to weekly, you can see why I'm saying that trend line was powerful. Yeah, can you see the trend line originated from here? That was which year? 2023 October. Can you see the price touched this trend line, it was pushed upward. The price touched this trend line, it was pushed upward. The same here and the same here. Can you see guys? And now we have broken the trend line. We have broken this trend line and we have broken the support. If you can see daily time frame, we have broken the neckline. We have broken the neckline. We have broken the neckline. Let me show you where is our neckline. So I'm bearish. I'm bearish in this pair. I'm bearish in this pair. Can you see? This was the shoulder. The shoulder, guys. Can you see the shoulders? And this is now the head. This is now the head. And now this is our neckline. Okay, so those are the confluences that support my bias. Those are the confluences that support this. So it has broken our neckline, and once the neckline is broken, what do we expect, guys? We expect that distance with the price will move this distance, the whole of this distance from the shoulder to the neckline downward. We are expecting that, and that's why I have indicated this line to be our TP. Let us measure that distance. Let us measure that distance, guys. Let us take that distance. Let us take that distance. Let us take that distance. TP1 will be that distance. TP1, we are going to take a half of that distance. I told you guys, TP1, we are going to take a half of that distance. Can you see? The TP1 price went and took our TP1. If you can see very clearly. If you can see very clearly. Can you see, guys? Once this neckline was broken, once it was broken, the price went down and take our TP1, a half of it. Can you see? This was our TP1, a half of it. It was taken here. If you can see clearly, it was taken there. Now we are waiting for the TP2 to be taken. And I'm guaranteeing you, sure guys, TP2 will be taken. We are going down to 1.06 or almost 1.06200. Our TP2 will be 1.06200. Euro USD, we are bleeding. We are bleeding to around 1.06200. We are bleeding, guys. And I told you, once the TP1 is taken, TP1 is always a guarantee. I told you that one, guys. TP1 is always a guarantee. Once the price hit our TP1, we are expecting a retracement to the entry region. We are expecting a retracement to the entry region. Can you see, guys? The TP1 was taken. This was the previous week, whereby we had an election, a presidential election in United States. It went and take our TP1, and then we had what? And we had a retracement to our neckline. Can you see? To our neckline. And then after having a retracement to our neckline, we went back again to do what? To TP1. So TP1 is always a guarantee, and we are waiting for this TP1 to be broken to enter to TP2. I'm telling you guys, once this TP1 is broken, we are going to TP2. Guarantee, sure. I'm telling you guys, that is a guarantee. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this TP1 to be broken. Now we are going to TP2. Let me draw that TP1. TP1 now, it will act as a support. Our TP1 now, it acts as a support. So I will draw it as a blue line. And you can see TP1 act like a support. TP1 will act like a support now here. So let me draw that one. Let me delete that one. TP1 will act as a support. TP1 will act as a support. So once, another confluence before I show you. Another confluence is down below here, guys. Down below here, guys. We have what? We have double bottom. Down below, can you see? This is a double bottom. This is at one first leg, another leg here. Can you see? And once you see a double bottom, we know that buyers took place here. Buyers bought the price here, and they also bought the price here. Are we together? So we are expecting down below here. We are expecting to have what? To have liquidity. We are expecting to have stop losses of these buyers. So we must go back. We must come down here to take all the stop losses here. Are we together? All the stop losses that line below these two zones. Can you see? These two zones. This one and this one, we must take them. We must take them. We must take them. And I told you guys, the power of a hidden candle. The power of a hidden candle. Can you see? I will make a video about the power of a hidden candle. I will make a video about the power of a hidden candle. We have a hidden candle here. That's why the price never went back, never went down, never dropped past this price, and it retraced. And also we have another hidden candle here, another hidden candle here. So we have to come to this zone. We have to come to this zone. So let us go to 4-hour time frame. Let us go to 4-hour time frame, guys. 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, guys. We can see clearly 4-hour time frame. So we were downtrending, we were downtrending up to here, and we are forming what? We are forming internal. We are forming internal downtrend. We are forming internal downtrend. Can you see, guys? This yellow line, it is an internal. If you see a yellow line in my chart, just know that is an internal trend. Okay, just know that is an internal trend line. Are we together? So this one, where are we now going to enter? Where are we now going to enter in this market? We are finding now the entry. Entry 1 will be scenario 1 now. Scenario 1, let's go to 1-hour time frame. I'll be showing you this. Scenario 1, guys, is let me draw this yellow line in 1-hour time frame. So scenario 1 is this one. Scenario 1 is this one, guys. This will be our scenario 1. Since we have seen that there is a downward trend, since we have seen that there is a downward trend line, now I'm expecting this scenario 1 now. We have already know that we are now selling this price, this pair. We are selling this Euro USD. That is a bias, and that is a guarantee. Sure, we are selling it. So where are we going now to enter the market? We are entering the market at this zone. Where am I putting this zone? Where am I putting this zone? I'm expecting the price will retrace back here, touch this trend line, touch this trend line. Can you see? Touch the trend line, and I'll be showing you the power of a hidden candle. The power of a hidden candle. If you go to 30 minutes and 15 minutes, you shall see that hidden candle here. Okay, you shall see that hidden candle here. Let us do that. Let us do that and confirm if there is a hidden candle. 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Let us go there and see. Can you see, guys? Okay, let us go to 45 minutes and see if you can see that candle. Voila, that is the candle, guys. That is the candle, guys. I'm telling you, this is the candle I'm talking about. The power of a hidden candle. That is the candle I'm talking about, guys. This is the candle I'm talking about. Can you see this candle? This is the candle I'm talking about. This is the candle I'm talking about, guys. That is the candle. Now we are going to enter that zone. We are going to enter now that zone. So I'm expecting, this is the scenario number 1. Scenario number 1 is I'm expecting the price will retrace back to that red zone. I'm expecting the price will retrace back here up to here. Are we together? I'm expecting the price will retrace back up to here. Once the price has retraced back up to here, I'm expecting it to grab some liquidity here, to play around here, to form something like this. I'm expecting it to form like this, something like that. Once you have seen something like this, like that, something like that, guys, we are bleeding to this zone. Once you have seen such a thing, we are going to that zone. That is scenario number 1. Okay, that's scenario number 1. That is scenario number 1. If you can, once you see something like that in 45 minutes, once you see something like that, and now you'll be waiting for this neckline to be broken. You'll be waiting for the neckline to be broken now, then you enter. Or you can enter as aggressive trader. You can enter. I'll be entering at this zone. Are we together? So I'll be entering at this zone, but it is good for you to wait until the neckline is broken, so that your stop loss will be you are not going to have a proper risk to reward ratio, because now your stop loss will be at the head. Your stop loss will be at the head, not here, because once you enter here, now you are going to put your stop loss here. So it is good you wait then, so that you can do and you can minimize your stop loss. So I'm expecting that. That is my plan for Euro USD. That is my plan for Euro USD next week. That is my plan for Euro USD next week. So your work is to watch for 45 minutes. Your work is to watch for 45 minutes and see what will happen. Okay, so that is my plan for Euro USD. Another pair is GBP USD. Let us check for GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD, guys. GBP USD. So GBP USD, guys, it is still on the range. GBP USD, if you can see in daily time frame, we are still in the range. We are still in the range. So in daily time frame, we are still in the range. We have not break any the low or the high. So in GBP USD, we are still between this range, these two range. Can you see? We are still between the high and the low. We are still between these two range. So GBP USD, either can happen, anything can happen in GBP USD. Anything can happen, but I'm still bullish in GBP USD. Why? I'm still bullish in GBP USD. Why? Because now you can see the trend line has not been broken. This trend line has not been broken, and then we have a support, a strong support here. We have a strong support here. Are we together? And I told you guys the power of a hidden candle. I told you guys I will be making a video about the power of a hidden candle. If you go to daily or if you go to weekly or monthly, you will not see that candle. You will not see the candle, but there is a candle in daily. There is a candle in daily time frame. There is a candle in daily time frame that can make that this pair to change and go up. Are we together? So in weekly and monthly, you are not seeing that candle. But when you come to daily time frame, I'm telling you guys, I'm calling this. I'll be making a video about the power of a hidden candle. The power of a hidden candle. So this is now our hidden candle. Can you see? This is now our hidden candle. These two is now our hidden candle. Can you see this, guys? These two is now our hidden candle. So the price is here. Can you see, guys? The price is here. Currently the price is between this and this. Are we together? So what am I expecting? With the information I have, I'm expecting this. I'm still bullish in GBP USD. Though I've not entered any trade here, I'm still bullish in GBP USD. But what is my expectation? What am I expecting? What am I seeing? There is a scenario I'm going to show you. Though it's not good to predict the market, but I'm going to show you something. I'm expecting to form a head and shoulder in this zone. You see this candle? In daily time frame, I'm expecting to form a head and shoulder. I'm expecting, since now buyers are here, and they have put their stop loss below here. They have put their stop loss below this. Some of the buyers have put, once you buy this zone, you are putting your stop loss below here. I'm expecting liquidity to be grabbed here to come and initiate this, the power of a hidden candle, to initiate that one, and the price will come back again. Are we together? The price will come back again and form a head and shoulder. Then we shall enter from this zone to buy. That is my expectation. GBP USD. I will repeat, guys. GBP USD, I'm repeating GBP USD is, I'm expecting, since the buyers have bought this pair up to here, just know there are two things. We have stop losses of the buyers here. We have stop losses of the sellers above here. So we have liquidity here, we have money here above here, and we have money below here. Can you see? So anything can happen. Anything can happen. Are we together, guys? So what am I expecting? I'm expecting, though it's not good to predict, but I'm expecting this with the information I have. I'm expecting that the price will come, take the buy side stop losses. Those who have bought here early buyers, those who have bought here, they're being stopped out. They'll be stopped out here and initiate this hidden candle. Can you see? Initiate that hidden candle like that, and then we shall see a quick return to the range like that, and then form something like a head and inverse head and shoulder. So we shall enter there, and then we shall, now our neck price will be here, our neck will be here. So if you are aggressive trader, you shall enter here, put our entry here. Then once the neckline is broken, we shall go for the stop losses for the buy, for the sellers. We shall go here, down below here, the sellers, those who sold the price from here, they have put their stop losses above here. So we shall go for their stop losses. So if you are patient, like me, you are going to enter the price here to take all the stop losses, of the sellers. That is my plan. That is my general plan. That is my overall plan of GBP USD. So there's nothing I'm going to, there's no much detail I'm going to look here, because the price is still in the range. So we have to take the liquidity of the buyer, the stop loss of the buyer, and we are going to take the stop losses of the seller above and below. That is a must. GBP USD, be aware of that. Be aware of that. Are we together? So let us go to USD CHF. So USD CHF, guys. USD CHF. So let us go to weekly. And see something. So if you have been following me right now, you could have understood all the meaning of those lines, because I've been analyzing this pair for the longest time. I've been showing you, we entered here for buy. I told you to buy here, and then up to this zone, I told you to do that. Go watch my videos and you shall see. Go watch the videos and you shall see. Now GBP USD CHF, sorry, USD CHF, guys. There's something I've seen. In USD CHF, and that is this trend line. The price is in this channel. And this channel is what? The downward channel. This channel is downward channel. So you can see the origin of this channel was here back in 2022. April 2022, November. Can you see? So we had a higher here, then came here, and then the price is here to touch the channel. This channel. Are we together? So the price already touched this trend and the lower trend line. You can see it came and touched it, but it has not touched what? So the last time it touched, it was the upper trend line. But it has not touched what? It has not touched the lower trend line. Sorry, it has not touched the lower trend line. And I want you to be very careful, very keen. Can you see? We have a double bottom here, double bottom here. Are you together, guys? We have a double bottom and double bottom here. Are we together, guys? And what do we know about this? We know that the buyers put their buying position here, and their stop losses is down below here. And since this price action, it has not touched this trend line, the lower trend line. Do you see? Can you see? It came, but it never touched the lower trend line. Can you see? It came, but it never touched what? It never touched the lower trend line. So we are expecting it we are expecting it to do what? Once the price will touch here, we are expecting it to drop, to take all the liquidity, all the stop losses of the buyers. We are expecting that. That is my expectation. So that is the weekly analysis. So let us go to daily analysis, daily time frame, and see what we can see. Daily time frame is the same, guys. Can you see? Same thing that we are seeing in daily, that's what we can see in, same thing that we saw in the weekly, that's the what we can see, what we can see in daily. Can you see, guys? So I'm expecting the price will come, touch this trend line, and you can see there is a resistance here. There is a resistance here. So I'm expecting the price will come, play around this zone, It might take a liquidity at this zone. Are we together? So I'm expecting the price will come, touch this trend line, and this what? And this resistance. It might fake out. That is my expectation. It must, to form something like head and shoulder like that. That is my expectation. Once I have seen this, in daily time frame, I will confirm. Now we are going to do what? We are going to sell. The TP1 will be at this support region. Then our TP2 will be at this zone. I'm telling you, guys, that is the way forward about USD CHF. That is what I'm expecting to see in USD CHF. If you will see that in daily time frame, if you will see something, this pattern in daily time frame, it might fake you out that we are going to buy. Are we together? To form a head and shoulder. Here. Once you have seen such a thing, be sure we are going down to where? We are going down to this lower trend line. So we are going, TP1 will be there, TP2 will be here, and the TP3 will be here. Are we together? I'm expecting that. That is my expectation. If you have any question or any concern, please comment down below or ask the question down below. I'll be willing to help you. Can you see? We have a supply zone here. A daily supply zone, and I'm expecting that. I'm expecting this to happen. This is what I'm expecting. And to be clear, let me show you. So I'm expecting the price will change from this zone, because now we have a supply zone here. If you can understand this, what I'm telling you, we are going to make money. So I'm expecting something like this. That is a supply zone. I'm expecting something like that. So the price will come, this is my expectation, the price will come like that, touch this trend line, and try to fake you guys. It may try to fake you. So be aware of that. And then we are coming down. TP1 will be there, TP2 will be this zone, and the TP3 will be down below this trend line. Otherwise, have a blessed week, and have a blessed Sunday. Let's meet next week, and God willing, we are hoping that we are going to print dollar together. Thank you, guys.